Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for the weekend, November 18th and 19th, 2017. For your Saturday, we're going to have clouds increasing pretty quickly, and we'll have some rain moving into the region from west to east. There's just going to be showers along a warm front initially. I don't think it's going to be a total deluge today, but we'll have intermittent showers throughout the day, and the best concentration of that is going to be out here in central PA, at least initially. As we move through further in the morning here, you can see what's going on. Area of low pressure off to our west. This is a showers along a warm front that's going to be pushing through our region, and then a cold front is going to be back here like this, so that's going to come through in the overnight. But the warm front is going to be the focus of the showers earlier in the day and throughout the afternoon as it moves in through west to east. And we'll just be intermittent showers, though, not a big deluge of rain. And then once we get to the overnight hours, we will have the cold front come through. So there could be a break in between, a slight break during the evening, and then you have more showers moving in during the overnight period, and that will be with the cold front itself. And then that system lifts away. May end as a period of light snow across our far northern counties and extreme northern northeastern Pennsylvania. The NAM has been suggesting that consistently, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. It would just be just snowflakes at the end, and probably not too much, if anything, in the way of accumulation. And then the lake effect streamer is going to come in. We're going to get very windy on Sunday. Some of these lake effect streamers will get pretty far eastward, but it'll just depend on how strong that wind is blowing off the lakes there, and how far south those can get. I do expect our areas up around State College, up to Williamsport, and up into at least northern sections of northeastern Pennsylvania to get into some of those scattered snow shower activity. Not amounting to much, if anything at all. But just there will be flakes flying, and it just this is all lake effect blowing off Lakes Erie and Ontario, moving southeastward. I wouldn't be surprised to see all the way down to I-78 would be your cutoff probably to see any flurries, but I don't even expect most of those areas to see anything either. It's just going to be mostly north central and northeastern Pennsylvania to see that. Let's get over the the NAM 12 kilometers future simulated radar. This is starting off at 7 a.m. You see the concentration of the showers here along the warm front out in western Pennsylvania. That's going to be moving eastward. So by late morning or mid-morning, we get into it in our western counties, central PA, State College, Harrisburg, those areas. Late morning, it gets further east, but you can see this is very scattered. This is not really a concentrated area of rain, just scattered and intermittent. That'll continue during the afternoon. Then you might get a little bit of break in between where it's not doing much of anything, maybe some drizzle or maybe a passing shower. And then the cold front will come through overnight. And you can see that here with these showers moving eastward. We're now looking at the overnight hours on Saturday night. And then that pushes through early Sunday morning. And you can see at the very tail end here, it's trying to indicate some snowflakes here. But the 32-degree line is up in New York State. So we're probably just maybe some flakes mixing in at the end, or probably or could be going over to a period of snow, but not accumulating. We're not expecting it to anyway. But we'll keep an eye on that just in case. And then the lake effect machine will kick in behind this. And we'll get some scattered snow showers and flurries, not expecting any accumulations, but these will get down into parts of northeastern Pennsylvania, north central PA, as we get into Sunday afternoon and evening. So back to the global models we go, and taking this forward from this point, then we're now looking at Monday. Still could be a stray flurry across the northern areas here Monday, but elsewhere we're going to be mostly sunny as high pressure is off to our south. And it will be cold on Monday. Temperatures are going to be going back down into the 40s, low to mid 40s for highs here on Monday, and then we're going to warm up as this high pressure moves off to the east. The same one that was to the south on Monday will now be off to our east on Tuesday, so that means we're going to get a southwesterly flow out ahead of the next front, which is up here in this direction, moving southward. So that flow out of the southwest will get temperatures into the 50s, it looks like, here on Tuesday. And then once that front comes through, it should be a dry frontal passage. Can't rule out a stray shower or a flurry with this Tuesday night, and it comes through during the day here on Wednesday. So Wednesday is going to start off mild, and the temperatures are going to fall during the afternoon, and then we get cold for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving highs we're expecting to be very similar to Monday, maybe even a little bit cooler, maybe 40, 42-ish in many areas. Some places not getting out of the 30s for highs, but it will be dry. Mostly sunny conditions we're expecting here on Thanksgiving Day itself, and then we'll call it partly cloudy here on Friday. We have a system off the southeastern U.S. coastline that's going to continue out this way. We don't think it comes far enough west to affect our region. We'll keep an eye on that as well. They're looking at next Friday right now, but we do expect that to stay away. So Black Friday should be dry for your shopping weather. And then once we get into next weekend, we'll have another system dipping down from the north here. Uncertain what this does yet. The European model is trying to bring it a little bit further south and digging a little bit more, which could get some snow in northern Pennsylvania, but it doesn't have a lot of support for that right now. So that's a bridge we'll cross when we get there. Right now, favoring something staying to the north here, maybe just a cold front coming through, reinforcing the cold air over next weekend. That will head us into the following week with another trough of cold air moving in. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is our outlook for the weekend, November 18th and 19th, 2017. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.